How to sign up to Amazon Prime Video on your phone. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for primevideo.com. On this page, if you are already a Prime Video member, tap on the Sign In option. Then you will have to sign in using your email or phone number. However, if you are new to this and you want to sign up, tap on the option of Start Your Free Trial. Now tap on the option of Create Account. Here you will have to enter your first and last name. After that, you will have to enter your phone number. For that, select your country. Then over here on the second box, enter your mobile number. If you want to use your email instead, tap on that option. Go ahead and now enter your email address. Then you will have to create a password. Make sure that your password is a strong one. Now, tap on the Create Your Amazon Account option. Once you tap on it, you will have to solve this puzzle to protect your account. Tap on the Start Puzzle option. Once the puzzle has been solved, you will now have to verify your email address. This is the email that Prime Video has sent me. You want to copy this OTP. Then enter it and tap on the Verify option. Next step is to add your mobile number. You want to select your country from this box. Then enter your phone number from here. Tap on the Add Mobile Number option. After that, an OTP code will be sent to your number. Enter that and then follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account of Amazon Prime Video. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.